We're using our pom-pom skills today to make cute and fuzzy Halloween ghost pom-poms. You'll need white yarn. I'm using a variety of yarns, but for the most part they should be fairly thin, not very thick. It'll hold its shape better. You'll need a pom-pom maker of any size, hot glue, scissors, and felt. To make the pom-pom, I'm using all 5 strands of all 5 yarns at once. It'll just help speed up the process. And you're actually only going to use 1/2 of your pom-pom maker to make this ghost. If you need a basic tutorial of how to make a pom-pom, I have another YouTube video that you can watch where you can get all the basics of how to make a pom-pom using a pom-pom maker. For this ghost, you're just going to fill the half, and you're going to want to make sure you get a lot of yarn in the very center. Don't overfill it, but make sure you have a lot of strands in that very center section, as those are the strands that will hang down and make your pom-pom look more ghost-like. Once the half is filled, you're going to remove all the skeins of yarn so that your pom-pom maker is not connected to the yarn any longer. Now you'll cut through the center of your pom-pom maker, and you're going to tie it off using another piece of yarn. You'll remove your half of a pom-pom from the pom-pom maker, and you're going to hold it up so that the longest strands are at the bottom. Try to keep the long ends long on the bottom so that it isn't just a round pom-pom, it has more of an elongated shape. Using circles of felt and hot glue, add some eyes and a mouth if you desire to your little ghost. You can hang these from a string, or you can display them on candlestick holders or just on a mantle in your house to enjoy the holiday season.